Shuttle 6 Mike, hold November Bravo 10.
It's Shuttle 6 Mike, hold, sorry, say again, that was Bravo 10?
Yeah, November Bravo 10.
Copy that, hold November Bravo 10, Shuttle 6 Mike.
Speedbird 219 Victor from November Bravo 10, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots, runway 09 right, clear takeoff.
From November Bravo 10, runway 09 right, clear takeoff, Speedbird 29 Victor.
Tower, good evening, Speedbird 79 India, ILS runway 09 right, left.
Speedbird 79 India, Heathrow Tower, good evening, continue approach number 2, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots.
Continue approach Speedbird 79 India.
Hotel, 732, push back and start.
American 732 when squawk is set to stand 539 and push start crew face south. Red nose tree 57, taxi via Kilo stand 2 tree. Speedbird 219 Heathrow director 119.725 goodbye.
Saving 2 again through 29 Victor.
Speedbird at 97 at 9 at India, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots, runway 09 left, cleared to land.
Clear to land 09 left, Speedbird land 09 India.
Speedbird 219 Victor, it's Heathrow director 119.725.
09.725, Speedbird 29 Victor, thanks, bye.
Red nose tree 57, taxi via Kilo stand 2 tree.
Taxi via Kilo, can you please repeat this down one more time?
Any on Kilo. Break shuttle 6 Mike from November Bravo 10, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots, runway 09 right, clear takeoff.
Clear takeoff, right, Shuttle 6 Mike.
Skyways 295, sorry, cleared Barcelona, mod B1 Juliet departure squawk 6470.
Cleared Barcelona, mod B1 Juliet squawk 6470, Skyways 2.
Skyways 2095, correct, Speedbird 1456, hold November Bravo 10.
Hold on, November Bravo 10, Speedbird 1452.
Speedbird 79 India, taxi right Alpha stand 509.
Alpha stand 509, Speedbird 79 India, runway.
Speedbird 779 Charlie Heathrow Tower.
Hello?
Speedbird 779 Charlie, surface wind 160 degrees, 9 knots, runway 09 left, clear to land. Goes 295, stand 248, push start crew face south. Speedbird 121, correction, Speedbird 1452 via November